Welcome to Vocab Loco. In this video, you'll learn how to access and print worksheets from Vocab Loco ready-made lists. Every ready-made list in Vocab Loco comes with a set of printable worksheets, vocabulary exercises, spelling practice, and writing activities, all ready to use with your students without any extra setup. To get started, go to the Word List section and open the Vocab Loco Lists tab. Find the group you want to work with and click Quick View. This opens a preview of the group's lists along with the worksheets available for them. You can also access worksheets for a specific list by opening the group and selecting Worksheets from the menu. A modal will open showing all the printable worksheets available for that list, organized in a grid so you can see everything at a glance. Before downloading, you have a few options to customize how the worksheets print. Use the black and white mode toggle to switch to grayscale, great for saving ink. Toggle Word Bank on if you want a word bank included in the worksheet to help students complete the exercises. You can also filter by worksheet type, vocabulary, spelling, or writing to find exactly what you need. When you're ready, just click any worksheet to open and print it. Each one is formatted and ready to hand out. If you'd like to share a worksheet digitally, enable the Shareable Links toggle. This creates a short link you can send to students or parents by email or messaging. All your shareable links are saved and can be managed from the Manage Shareable Links option at the top of the modal. And that's it. Vocab Loco worksheets are a quick way to bring word list practice off the screen and into the classroom. If you have any questions, visit the knowledge base. We're happy to help.